Welcome in once again to Bitcoin Climate, where we observe the climatic pulse and forecast of Bitcoin during the past few days. Guys, this content is not any official financial advice. It's for educational purposes only, guys. And don't forget to smash, come on now, that subscribe button right here. Click the bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press content, guys. I would really appreciate it. Also like this video, as it really does help out with the algorithm. Excuse me, guys. Today we're going to start off immediately with the content. Fear and greed index at around 61 right now, still in greed, just like yesterday, just like the week before. The market is greedy. I mean, it could stay up here for a while, but for now, people, they're not panicked, they're not fearful, they're not scared, and as we can see here right now, the trend is your friend until the end. It's still the uptrend, is still intact. As of yet, we failed to make a new local high though for the past couple of days and weeks. So we'll see, are we going to create a new low below 50, or we're going to break above that 69 and continue the uptrend? And if we break below 50, then we might start a new downtrend. So, exciting times ahead. Is going to have to give one way or another, and we'll continue to monitor this as we go. Then we move on to Bitcoin's performance in the last 7 days, just down 1%. In the last 24 hours is only up a 0.11%, and in the last hour just 0.6% down. So essentially it's been around this price since last week. Of course, there's been volatile moves towards the downside mainly, and a couple towards the upside, but all in all, the price hasn't moved much in the last 7 days. As we can see here, we have a market cap of $568 billion, guys, up 1.59%. Then we have a volume of 16,650. Whoa, that thing just changes too fast. $16 billion down almost 17% in the last 24 hours. Yikes, not too much volume as we can see here, but all in all, looks healthy. 29,000. Bitcoin still holding strong. The uptrend is still intact. And yeah, while Bitcoin is moving and holding strong, banks are failing. As we can see here, PacWest is the new bank, the latest bank added to the list right here. Western Alliance shares also tumble as U.S. regional bank fears persist, guys. Look, as we can see here, man, these banks are failing left and right. There's a confidence crisis in the banks. People scared to have their money inside regional banks. And yeah, I believe that that's definitely helped with pushing Bitcoin a little bit towards the upside, as we're going to see here in the latest couple of days on the chart. But before we do so, guys, again, thank you so much for subscribing. And what we provide to you for subscribing is a free educational playlist, guys, for free with educational presentations and everything for you. You can grab a pen, a pencil, a piece of paper and dig in. So many different educational videos, all just a click away. Link in the description down below. So again, looking at the charts, we see here a clear rebound here, guys. As we can see, we had a it's not showing, I don't know why, but yeah, we had a rebound right here, and then we had another rebound right here, as we can see on the chart. Let's just refresh. Let's make sure that we're providing the correct chart here. BTC USDT live editing done cheap, guys. So here we can see we're in this triangular formation where we're making higher lows heading into resistance, and we're gonna have to see, something's got to give. That's the exciting part. Right now, again, let's see if we can see it now. Yes, right here we have a rebound, we have a second rebound in price, and right now we're just making higher lows on our way towards the final battle with the $30,500 pivotal resistance level that we've been battling back here, and then that will most likely battle in the next couple of days to weeks, and that's gonna be it. Something's got to give. Either we pierce through above resistance and close and continue on the uptrend, or we're gonna fail a second time, maybe create a double top formation and then come back down as well. Those are the two possibilities that we keeping an eye out for. The key levels continue to be the $28,679 level as support and the resistance of $30,500, guys. Keep that in mind. Massive battle coming ahead, and as banks fail, Bitcoin continues to move up, but we have to wait and see if we're going to continue the uptrend in the next couple of days. On the weekly, wow, this is a really bullish candle. It hasn't closed yet. I mean, we're just a couple of days out, after the weekend. But if it closes like this, that means there's a lot of buy pressure with this $28,700, $800 support, give or take. And with this buy wick on the weekly, that would be extremely bullish for the most part, but we have to wait and see how the candle's going to close. And all in all, in the weekly, we're just range bound between this $28,800 level and the $31,000 level. So let's see what happens. Something's got to give in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. And then Bitcoin dominance continues to remain up here in the range of 48 to 49%. That 49% is broken, man. Orange and blue skies ahead, man. We would expect that 55% as the near-term target, and then eventually 60. So Bitcoin right now continues to dominate altcoins, to dominate the markets, and to dominate the world, man. As banks fail, Bitcoin holds strong. Guys, link in the description down below. Our website, great investment tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, and for your attention, and I hope you guys have a good one.